Traveling through Corsica, I stumbled upon Bonifacio, a city suspended between sky and sea, as if it itself were a bridge connecting time with infinity. The limestone cliffs on which this city is built majestically rise above the Mediterranean Sea, creating a landscape so extraordinary it seems to be a work of nature's art. The history of Bonifacio stretches far back to the 9th century when it was founded by the Tuscan people, becoming a witness to countless battles and conflicts that shaped not only the city's history but all of Corsica. One of the most spectacular examples of engineering skill and the determination of its inhabitants are the King of Aragon's steps. According to legend, these 187 stone steps were carved into the rock in just one night during an unsuccessful invasion by Aragon in 1420, making them not just a majestic work of human hands but also a testament to defense strategy and determination. During my wanderings, I came across the Sainte-Marie-Majeure Church, built in the 12th century. Its Romanesque architecture and preserved frescoes are not only proof of the durability of Corsican faith but also of a culture that has survived centuries. This place, where history intertwines with spirituality, offered a moment of reflection on transience and eternity. The port of Bonifacio is the heart of the city, pulsating with the life of the local community. The colorful boats and yachts, the buzz of conversations and laughter, mix with the sense of fresh, local products. Restaurants and cafes scattered along the waterfront serve dishes that are the essence of Corsican cuisine: pecorino cheese, cured meats, seafood, accompanied by local wines that delight the palate. Music is an integral part of life in Bonifacio, reflecting the rich history and tradition of Corsica. Traditional Corsican songs, carrying over the waters of the port, are a bridge connecting the past with the present, allowing one to experience the unique combination of culture, history, and nature that together create the unique atmosphere of this place. One of the most unforgettable experiences of my journey was the Marine Cemetery, located on the edge of a cliff. The richly decorated tombs and chapels tell the story of the inhabitants of Bonifacio, creating an extraordinary bridge between the past and the present, between life and death, providing a unique insight into the heart of Corsican identity. My journey to Bonifacio, documented with a mobile phone, proves that one does not need professional equipment to discover and share the beauty of the world. This place, with its fortress, history, and culture, has become not just an unforgettable location for me but also an inspiration for further travels and discoveries. With its unique location, rich history, and vibrant culture, Bonifacio is the quintessence of the Corsican spirit, a blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and history that is as deep as the waters of the Mediterranean that surround it. Every corner of this city, from the cliffs to the port, from the ancient steps to historic churches, tells its own story, creating a mosaic of experiences that remains unforgettable. Bonifacio, with its history dating back to the 9th century when it was founded by the Tuscans, to the present day, where tradition intertwines with modernity, stands as a living monument to Corsican identity. Here, on the edge of limestone cliffs, I discovered that history and culture can be as captivating as natural beauty, and the true essence of a place lies not only in its views but in the stories those views conceal.
Moi je l'avais offert.
Chérie, ça va? Hein?